Today I'm launching a brand new AI-powered digital product store in the outdoor niche, and I'm gonna be doing it from scratch using Everbee Store. The crazy part is the entire storefront's gonna be built for us in minutes using AI and the products. But before we do that, I wanna validate the niche first using real-time marketplace data from Amazon so we're not just guessing what people want. Then I'm gonna show you how to take that research and instantly turn it into a real storefront packed with outdoor-themed digital products that are ready to sell. If you're new here, my name is Ryan Hogue. I've sold millions of dollars of print-on-demand products online since 2017. One of the biggest opportunities right now is digital products because there's no inventory, no shipping, no production delays, and the profit margins can be extremely high. If you're not running paid ads, it's basically 100%. And now with AI tools getting better, we can build these stores faster than ever thought before. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I'd approach launching a brand new outdoor-themed digital product store from scratch in 2026. Before we build anything, I wanna validate the niche first using data from Amazon. One mistake beginners make is building stores around niches that they personally like instead of niches that they know have proven demand. So let's jump into Amazon and see what the data tells us about the outdoor niche. Now, this might not look like you're used to seeing in Amazon because I've got the Merch Dominator Chrome extension and it's going and evaluating all of page 1, and it can actually be configured to look at multiple pages of search data. And it is essentially boiling down all of the sales and the competition and all the most relevant things that we would want to know as sellers into a niche score. And you can see that up here in the top right next to the demand score, which is a 10 out of 10, the competition score, which is an 8 out of 10, which, you know, high competition, not always the best thing, but it comes with the territory, and the overall niche score, which is a function of competition versus discernible demand, is a 9 out of 10. And I don't even need to scroll down and look at the products. I just know the niche as a whole evaluates very well. And one of my favorite charts that they do is the BSR range distribution. BSR stands for bestseller rank. The lower, the better. On page 1, 51.6% of products have a BSR under 100,000. That is very strong sales. And if I want to go ahead and actually look at the products that are selling well, I can just scroll down and I'll see the products listed in search results, but I also see Merch Dominator is injecting the BSR data underneath each product, so I know how well they're selling relative to each other. For instance, I know this shirt right here is selling better than the shirt right next to it because it has a BSR of 110,000, whereas the shirt next to it has a BSR of 137,000. And remember, the lower the BSR, the better. This is exactly why I like validating niches before building stores. We can clearly see there's already strong interest in outdoor related products online. And now instead of manually building a store product by product, we're gonna let AI do most of the lifting. So let's build our AI powered store using Everbee Store, which is one of the fastest ways I've seen to launch a niche store, including, you know, whether it's print on demand or in this case, a digital products business. So right here, guys, all you need to do, and I'm gonna link to Everbee Store in the description in case you wanna follow along, is give it a prompt. Say, I want to start selling digital products in the outdoor space. Build my store. You don't actually have to say build my store, but I'm gonna go ahead and click go, and it immediately gets to work on that prompt. It's gonna build out the entire store. Now you can see here behind me, it generated a woman outside holding a camping mug with a mountain on it, and she's got the matching shirt. It says adventure awaits. We can customize the color scheme of the store in one click. We can customize the font pairings in one click to something we think looks great. The cool thing, guys, is you actually can customize all of this beyond the initial setup as well. Now, if you want to make changes to what the AI cooks up for you on the initial launch of your store, it is easy to do. You can see I added my own logo up here, and I decided to call my store Wild Path Digital. I added my own hero banner. I forgot to change the text right here. It just says button with link. Well, let's go ahead and change that. So I'm gonna go into the back end here in Everbee Store, and over here on the left-hand navigation, I'm gonna go ahead and click the art icon for the designer, and then I'm gonna click builder. You don't need to write any code. What I do now is click the button over here on the right-hand side, and instead of it interacting with the website as your customer would, it launches the builder and it says, okay, what should this say basically? So I scroll down, it says button with link, and what I might have it say is shop the sale. Okay, and I can go ahead and make it say that. If I need to make any changes, maybe to the text color or maybe bold it, I can go ahead and do that. Make sure the text is white. Then I'm gonna go ahead and simply publish in the top right corner. So now when I go back and hit refresh, instead of saying button with link, it should say shop the sale. I was able to do this and customize the entire website. I made the top part say sale, take 50% off. Well, 50% off what? Well, I'm glad you asked. I went ahead and stocked it with digital products in the outdoor niche. I wanna show you how I did did that, but first I want to do a brief tutorial of how I created these products. So I'm using software called My Designs. It is amazing for print-on-demand sellers and digital product sellers because you can use their Dream AI and you can enable parallel prompts, and it basically allows you to write multiple prompts at once like I did here. I said white colored text-based design optimized for print against a black background that says camp hair don't care. And then I duplicated it and I said always take the scenic route. I said camp more, worry less. Camping is my favorite therapy. Happy camper and making memories one campsite at a time. You can do as many of these as you need to. And I had their Dream AI basically make these designs for me, and then you can go ahead and add them to your designs here in Dream AI. Now you can see I even was able to add gradient overlay. I just want to briefly show you how quickly and easily you can do this. So I'm going to go ahead and select all of these, and then what I'm going to do is hit bulk actions and hit pattern overlay. Now they preload a bunch of patterns here into My Designs for us. So I simply did a preview for you here, and you can see that it shows me what these simple text-based designs are going to look like with these overlays. I can go ahead and do colorful waves. I think that's going to look great actually for camping. And the cool thing here is that I can actually click the apply pattern overlay button, and it's not just going to do this for one of my designs. It's going to do this for all of them. So check it out. Now I've got all the different designs here with that, what they called colorful waves overlay as a clipping mask. If you guys use Photoshop like I have for many decades, it applies it as a clipping mask, and I think it looks absolutely incredible. So after I download those from My Designs, which you can do in like 2 clicks, come back over here to Everbee Store and open up your products. So simply go to products, and all you need to do now is click add product, give it a title. You can set up the product details here underneath. They do set some default values for you that say highest quality materials, easy care instructions, fast and free shipping. Now for a digital product, those don't really matter. So you can go ahead and just delete them if you want to. Go ahead and, drag and drop your designs that you just created after you download them right here into the upload spot. Now I already added all of my products, as you can see here behind me in Everbee Store. You can go ahead and set the price for them. Everything is able to be accomplished in Everbee Store at a discount relative to their competitors like Shopify. Nothing is sacrificed, and within like maybe 15 minutes, I had the entire store set up. WildPath Digital. If I want to sell these digital products, all you need to do, the only thing I didn't do for this demo was connect a payment processor. But if you've ever used Stripe, you could open a free account and then you just connect Stripe in a few clicks on the back end and you're good to go. You can see right here, my add to cart button looks like it's functional, but again, I don't have Stripe connected, so that would be an issue. You can see I have a banner site-wide that says take 50% off, and I was able to go ahead in the product backend here, and you can customize the pricing on the second page. So you have the current price, the previous price, and so I set the current price to 99 cents, the previous price to $1.99. The result is you get your 50% off sale, and if you want, you can go ahead and you can customize like the entire page here. On the product side, you have these extra sections built out for you. You can delete them if you don't like them. The footer is completely customizable. It says get in tune with your wild side. A few other things to mention here in Everbee Store as well, guys. There's a marketing tab. They have all your emails already built out for you, believe it or not. And if you set up your logo, it's going to pull in all your branding for you. It's going to take the font pairings that you like, the color pairings that you like, and build out your emails for you, including your welcome series, your order updates, your abandoned cart series, your abandoned checkout series, your account and support. If you do subscriptions, that's already built out for you. The cool thing about Everbee Store, guys, is you don't need to do redundant work. It's done for you. You just go in and add your own voice, your own flair. If you don't like the voice of the email, you can go in and say, add it in your own style. If I have an outdoor style, I might want to make references to, the great outdoors and your wild side, right? We're WildPath Digital, lean into the wild side, connect with nature, etc. That's really it. You can launch your entire fully functional store in minutes. This is honestly where things are headed with e-commerce. Instead of spending weeks building a store manually, we can now validate demand first and then use AI to rapidly build around proven niches. The speed advantage matters because it lets you test more ideas without wasting weeks or months on niches that never had the demand in the first place. And remember, with digital products, there's no inventory sitting in your garage or in an Amazon warehouse like I used to have to do when I sold FBA. Once the files are created, they can sell over and over again with essentially unlimited scalability. That's why so many sellers are aggressively moving into AI-assisted digital product stores right now. So hopefully this video showed you 2 really important things. First, how to validate a niche properly using real marketplace data. Do not skip that step, guys. And second, how insanely fast AI tools like Everbee Store make it to launch your own digital product business and theme it after your niche. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let me know in the comments too, what niche would you like to launch your own AI-powered digital product store in? And if you want the links to the tools I showed you in this video, I'll make sure to put them in the description below. Good luck, and I'll see you at the next one.